Well, it's really no newsflash. Technology has changed almost every aspect of our lives, but what you may not realize is how it can impact and improve your smile. Here to explain, Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland and BJ Kowalski, CEO of Rowe Dental Laboratory. Gentlemen, welcome to Good Company. Let's start with you, Doctor. Let's talk about the fact that you've always been into cutting-edge digital technology, and now you're using full arch implants.
Correct. And now what we're doing is we're using the 3D facial scans that we've talked about before.
Right.
We're also getting a scan inside the mouth of all the teeth, like they're making the models. And then we're incorporating that when we make the healing bridge after the teeth are extracted and the implants go in. So within 24 to 72 hours after surgery, basically within 24 hours of surgery, you're going to get a new set of teeth that are screwed onto the implants.
You're going to get a new look.
Oh, yeah.
A new smile that you can share almost immediately.
Right. And BJ, his laboratory, Rowe Laboratory, is one of the leaders in the country. We have them here in Cleveland, and we're doing fantastic cases.
BJ, share with us exactly. Tell us about the arch bridge and the printed smiles and your collaboration with Dr. Heimke.
Yeah, absolutely. Dentistry's changing incredibly fast in a digital way.
In a good way.
Yeah, in a very good way. Getting treatment to patients faster, better looking, stronger. Everything's getting improved with dentistry going digital. Arch Bridge is part of that development, where it's a small little device where a progressive doctor like Dr. Heimke will put it in the patient's mouth. They'll scan it with a device, an intraoral scanner, and what that does, it gives us extremely precise locations as to where those dental implants are, kind of like a GPS for your car, but where the locations of the implants in the mouth.
It's fascinating, and doctor, the result is not only like wow, but great patient response.
Oh, yeah. Well, the key thing is you have teeth that are secured right away. You're able to eat on them right away.
Wow.
Anything you can cut with a fork, at least during the first healing period, which is 90 days only. And then you have a beautiful aesthetic smile. Up 2 years ago, we did it, but we've evolved to this new digital technology that is amazing. It's leaps and bounds better.
Well, we're going to share right now, okay? Because you're going to give us a play-by-play of the actual 3D, the printing, the post 3D printing. Take us on a field trip.
Sure, absolutely. Well, this is our design team right here in Ohio, Northeast Ohio, and Independence, Ohio, designing someone's smile with guidance from doctors like Dr. Heimke on what the patient's looking for. And then after that's approved, we print a 3D printed prototype, which is an advanced polymer resin that is very strong, very stable, and that gives patients a preview of what their smile is going to look like.
And that's going to go in their mouth.
Right.
And temporarily until, of course, the finished product a few months away.
And look at the artistry that's going into this. I mean, those are teeth that look like teeth and gums that look like gums. And that's a patient with one of our healing prototypes in place. And look at the gorgeous smile that she has.
And you know what? The fact is that is happening hours, truly hours.
Yes.
After the entire process
While
started.
It's all healing.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
It really is.
And then when we go to the finish, 90 days later, we'll make another prototype that's even better. We'll fine-tune it, and then we'll go to our zirconia prototype and finish it up, and then that's what they're going to have for the long term.
All right, BJ, it's got to be wonderful to work with someone this advanced.
Absolutely.
As far as being on the cutting edge.
Yes, absolutely.
And back at you here, it's got to be awesome to have them in our own backyard.
Oh, it's definitely a team sport, all this stuff. So it's not just one person, it's a team. We share information in real time, and then we're able to basically distill out this beautiful restoration that is going to be highly successful for the patient and highly aesthetic.
Well, for more information, you know what, really reach out. You really have to. Oral Design Cleveland, right on Center Ridge Road, Suite 302. You can call 888-255-3588. Great websites waiting for you here. EveryoneLovesMySmile.com and DentalImplantsRockyRiver.com. Doctor, thank you so much. BJ,
yes,
pleasure having you on the show.
Always a pleasure.
All right, quick break. We'll be right back with more fun on this Friday as Good Company continues.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland.